I guess the only thing I would add to that is, I think part of the challenge the world has had when we think about these issues is that the Paris framework is very much based on a country by country emissions model. So Canada is really forced to look only at what it's doing, and so is every other country. And I mean, that translates down into even the way companies have to look at their scope 1 and 2 emissions. And in having that kind of box around us, we really lose sight of opportunities to have greater emissions reductions impact through energy trade, through some industries doing things at lower costs than other industries. And I think, one of the other lessons that should come out of what we've just seen in Europe and Asia and everyone scrambling for energy is that nobody's in a box from an energy standpoint. And Canada needs to think about the role of our energy globally, not just because of emissions, but because, to what Janelle was saying, we can't be a leader or set an example on climate change to countries with multiple times our population, with millions of people who don't have energy, period. Like, we can be an ally to them, getting them the energy they need while helping them to lower their emissions. And that needs to be kind of front and center in the way we think about our role in the world. People are solving many problems at once, and we need to work with them and all work together on solving those problems.